In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can quickly and easily add a trend aggressive shake video effect to your text. So what you have to do is first click on here, click on text right here, click on this plus to add text. You can add from here text really easily, but another way you can achieve the same result, you still had text, but you can also add text templates which are already created for you. You just have to add them if you want something already customized, already created for you. So there's a bunch of different effects. I like this one. Click on here to add, and now I have this text effect here, and I can add here now this text. And if you go to effects here and then video effects and then trending, we have some really nice trending effects here. And if we go to opening here, if you want to add a blur, you can add some blur from there. If you also want to add blur, you also have here. And scanning, now we also have scanning. And shake we have in nightclub here, and just click on here to add this shake effect to your text. And as you can see, now you can also right click and create a compound, and this is gonna like create test effect to your video as well and to your text. Excuse me. And you can also try this. Let's say we just remove, click on here, and now we have our text, and we're gonna add this text, this shake effect. So now let's see the effect. Okay, let me delete this here. Now we increase the effect. Now the scale, and you can also go to effects here, and from here you can also add some effects to your text. Right? If you want to change, you can do it from there, and you can let's say if you grab this image and then you were image video and you move it there, and then you create a compound clip. Now wait 1 second. If you add the speed, the text, and now you create a compound clip with your text and video, and now as you can see we have for our, but make sure you remove this if you don't want the image, you just want the text with the shake effect. And now we have the shake effect. Make sure you move this image, this video, whatever you have there, move far away so you won't see anything, and then this will work just fine. Actually, I'm going to show you right now. It has to work, so I'll move it really, really far away. Now I'll create a compound clip with the text and the video, and I have the shake effect above. And as you can see, it works just fine. So I really hope you found this tutorial helpful. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you like this video, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section down below. In the comment section. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.